Hello, Daniel here. In this first episode, I'm gonna make a useless app. It's good to make something useless. This way, you can practice your skills and you actually finish it, which is a good practice. Practice finishing your projects. Should start in a bit. Okay, let's do something real quick. First off, what is the idea? The idea is pretty simple. We're going to have a lot of boxes. What the fuck? These boxes are not going to be this big. So the app is basically about how many weeks do you have in your life and how many have you spent already and how much time you have left. So it's the most simplest of apps. So we're gonna have an input box. Alright, so first input box will feature your image. Oh, maybe Defline would be a good name. Simple names here. So we have Defline and your deadline. What? For a split, useless. Default. Oh, you know what? This isn't so bad. Squeeze a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so we have the scene and we need to make it so it's an app. I want to change the free aspect to a portrait view. Okay, now let's look for a cool background. I like adding backgrounds to my apps. Because if you don't like the app, at least you're gonna get a good background. Oh, this is nice. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's save it. Imports. Do an imports for. Now let's add it to the scene. Wow, it looks pretty good. Maybe we can do a slow moving, something like this. We have a pretty good resolution. Can we find the resolution? Oh, wow, this is a good picture. I think this is way bigger. Right now it's way too much like the original. Let's change it up a bit. Let's duplicate this layer, yes. This is hard bite. And also a bit of desaturation. Okay, do we go with the PNG? Yes. What the fuck did I save it? So this is the background. This is gonna be the box container. Let's see, let's add a canvas, and the canvas will be space camera. This is the camera. Oh yes, canvas shit. A bit closer to where we're actually doing stuff. Move the background a bit in the back. Now we're going to add a box panel. We can remove this. Now the box panel is going to have a layout group. I'll create a scripts folder. Box controller. How we're gonna create the box? I guess we're just gonna do it easy. I'm gonna use the stock method for now. I'm gonna do a void create box. I think this is a starting point. So let's just do a bar string or prefab name, an object, prefab, and I'm pretty sure. So this is gonna imply that we create a folder called resources, and we're gonna have a prefab. There we go, we have our prefab. This is awesome. Now that we have our prefab, we can just instantiate it. So we're going to say game object geo equal instantiate. Now this instantiate takes multiple parameters. So first thing we're going to instantiate is going to be the prefab. We're going to want to have this prefab already instantiated many times, so I'm just going to do an object box prefab, and the next parameter is going to be quaternion identity.